Here's the late night bored at work edition review of the DeWalt folding pocket knife. Their premier one, model number DWHT10313. It has a 8CR13 MOV steel blade, stainless steel, high carbon, G10 fiber and aluminum handle, and integrated wire strippers, 12 and 14 gauge. So let's unpackage this and check it out. So here it is, your liner lock, kind of tight right there. Not too bad, not too shabby. Has your lanyard loop. There are the wire strippers. I don't have any wires with me. Test it out, but it's all good. Let me see. Yeah. Took a little bit of effort, but got it open. Serrated edge. Little knurled edge there for grip. And it looks like it has a good sharp blade from the factory. So it's pretty nice. Feels lighter than my Stanley. Right there. About the same length. Let's see. Yeah. Blade is very similar, except the Stanley has that hole there for opening and closing, and the DeWalt has this post there for opening and closing, and a belt clip, just like the Stanley. But overall, pretty good. Thanks for watching. Bye.